This is Rashad Williams, and we back with Boss Garage Racing. I'm gonna do a recap of the first 3 parts of rebuilding we in here. So right now I'm gonna show you what I already have taken off, which is the intake manifold. Then I took off the harmonic balancer, the intake cover, also the water pump, the tensioner pulley, the pulleys, and the idlers. Then we took off the oil pump. Also, we took off the heads. The head was a woo, boy. But I have a review on the heads and how we're gonna rebuild those, so stay tuned for the next part. So right now, we're about to break down the motor more. We're pulling out all the drain plugs with a 14mm inverted socket. Too bad we got all the wool out. It's easier to loosen the casing bolts while the engine is on the stand. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 12mm socket. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we got some over here. 12 point right there, then right there, if y'all can see it. Then we got 2 at the top there, then we got 2 at the bottom there, all 12 points. And we have 1 on the back here, right here. If you can turn it over, Tim, real quick, pull this pin. For that little sucker right there, we use this this 12 point. We just kept the 12 point on there and used the swivel socket to unloosen it. So go ahead and show them to you.
It's kind of tricky, but you can get it on there and you can actually break the bolt too. It's kind of tricky, but you can get it on there. That's it. See?
Oh yeah. We have the bare block all the way broke down. Every last single bolt is out of there. Baby. Yes. On a clean surface. Make sure you got a clean work area. Yes, we do. Every last bolt. Now it's time to crack it. Yes. Yes. Who's gonna do the honors? Tim, you gonna do the honors? Oh man. You gotta take the back panels off to get to the back wrist pins with a big Phillips head screwdriver. Yeah.
That's what I do. That's what I do.
Yeah, taking the back plate off. The Allen wrench. Yeah, we got almost all of them out. Yep. Oh yeah. All right, that's just 1 remove. Back casing's loose to get to the wrist pins. Oh yeah, that was pretty easy. Golly. That one was a mug too, that one right there. You gotta use a 7/8 wrench to make sure you move the crankshaft. Go back the other way. lined up to take the wrist pins out. So he's about to take the wrist pins out, y'all. Got a new nose. Uh-oh. Let's see if I got a better angle. Nope. Oh, we got them. Yeah. Wrist pins. One. Yeah. Wrist pin.
Watch out.
Two. All right. That's just on the black covering. We still got the front covering to go, which is, I probably got to turn the crankshaft to see them, but not too far in there. All right. We got the whole wrist pin, y'all. Gotta get some new these. Look at that thing. Ew. You gotta use a long screwdriver to make sure you take the wrist pins out of the back. Well, yeah, we gotta make sure we find them.
Too much light, Rashad. Too much light.
I'm trying to knock the wrist pins out in the back, y'all.
Move.
Yeah, boy, that thing moving. Keep going. You'll feel it when you come up. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. Alright, we got the next one. You see it?
Turn it. Blocking this side.
Okay. You're going the wrong way than me, big fella.
This one this side, go the other way.
There you go. Come back some to the.
That's how far I go, because I got to do this side, this covering up this side.
About to knock the other one out.
Move.
Yep. Oh yeah, she almost out, baby. This pin. Oh my God, it hurt. Hey y'all. Remember to take that bolt out, please. Yeah, me and Tim been struggling with that.
With Boss Garage Racing. Here today, we're going to try to crack the engine block open with his rubber hammer, 4-pound mallet hammer. Let's see what happens.
We finally got this bad boy out of there. Still gotta get the pistons out. Crankshaft, working on the bottom pistons for some reason.
You gotta get the wrist pin out.
You gotta get that wrist pin out. Final wrist. We can just look like we got clearance to just knock that one
That's
through.
what I do.
So here you go. Yeah, just sit with me.
That one was pretty much straightforward, right?
Yep, just go straight forward, bro. We got clearance on that one. Yep. Hold on. God damn it, I thought we had a little clearance. Hold on, let me see if I can move it up a little down.
Yeah, turn it.
That one gotta go down. That ain't gonna move.
What's it gonna be?
Let me see.
We got two.
It gotta come over this way.
try now.
Oh! This thing heavy.
That's the crankshaft?
That's the crankshaft.
There you go, Clayton.
The engine is just worn
That's carbon buildup. Some of them are worn out real bad though. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this one. This is a good example of rubbing. See? Losing compression, oil's getting inside. It's not good. It's not good. But we're gonna do a full inspection on these so we can explain what's going on.
Yeah, I think it's working. That's no motion.
Alright. Good job, good job.
What are you doing? Might not want to show anything. I should flash it off with your hand. I'm gonna take the buffalo to work. I'm putting that. Check it out, strong. See, that's a kick off.
Ain't clean though.
Hey Ken, what are you using to spray? Oh, we use this CarQuest heavy duty engine degreaser.
Yeah.
Sponsored by CarQuest.
How much is that ball?
$5-6.
There's no special brand to use. We also have Advanced Auto brand engine degreaser also. Comes from Advanced Auto Parts. We also have Gump engine degreaser, the original, which comes from O'Reilly. Any of your major parts store carries all three of them. Come on, man. One spray, I'm out.
Fucking out of here.
Flip it over.
That whole head shit done up on the video. Where the fuck a hot dog and hamburger?
Man, why you ain't tell you want to go somewhere you want to eat?
Y'all live, don't you?
Don't you think you really too that damn good? Huh?
All these chemicals mixed.
You said what? You said I'm gonna cause a flame. Hey, stop talking to me on camera. Huh?
Let me ask you.